Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Fatima Ali in Fatima Ali's kitchen. So today in Fatima Ali's kitchen, guys, we've got you peanut butter stew, and we're going to be cooking it with mutton here. And the mutton is all nice and clean, and we've seasoned it with a little bit of salt, which is here. And we've got you all the ingredients here that are going to go in this mutton peanut butter stew. I'm sure you're all going to be like, peanut butter in a stew, but guys, I'm telling you, it's so good. Peanut butter stew is one of the main dishes in the Gambia, and we cook it almost every week, and it's made out of the smooth peanut butter here. Tastes very nice, it's so good. You'll see it when we cook it. So we've got carrots, peppers, and we've got some frozen whole okra that we're going to put in, and some garden egg, and we've got some dry fish and snail meat here, you know, and we've got some chili, salt here, and tomato paste and tomato plum. All this is going to go in the peanut butter stew. And these onions I'm going to blend with the tomato and then add it in, but you guys are not going to miss out on anything, because this peanut butter stew is mouth-watering. You're going to enjoy it, so please keep watching. So guys, we've got some oil in the pan here, about 1 cup of oil in the pan. We're going to do this peanut butter stew in a different way today, and we're going to fry our meat in there while the oil is nice and hot. So I'm going to gently take the meat and just gently drop it down in the oil. I'm going to give it a stir. Also guys, I like the bony side of the meat, because the bony side of the meat is where the meat is very nice and tender. So okay, I'm going to put a lid on this meat here, and then only just fry it for about 5 minutes. So while I do that, I'll be blending the onion and the tomato in the meantime. Okay guys, so this meat has been frying in this pan for a little while, guys. So we're going to give it a little stir and carry on add the blended onion and the tomato plum. And then I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm also going to add these two now, these dry stuffs. Also I'll add the chili and the pepper. The chili is about 1.5 tablespoons, and the salt is about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add that on and give all of this a stir. So I'll put the lid back on, and then I'm going to let that fry as well for 5 minutes. Okay guys, okay, so that is looking good. The onion is fried and everything's looking good in here. So we're going to go on and add our tomato paste in now. And I'm going to give all of that a stir. Make sure you give it a good stir, because you want every bit to have everything. Voila. Right, so that's about it now. Right, we put the lid on again and let the tomato and everything cook for another 5 minutes, okay? We're going to carry on and put our peanut butter in here. So I'm going to add some hot water into it. I'm going to mix it all in here. Now we're going to open that. Going to give that a stir, and then I'm just going to pour this peanut in. I'm going to add more water in this bowl and just rinse it and add it in here. So I will leave the peanut to cook with all of these for, let's say, about 45 to an hour, and then we put a lid on it. I'm done cooking, guys. It takes lots of time. Okay, guys, but it's all worth it, because at the end of the day, we want a nice, lovely food. So nice, lovely food comes with time. It comes with time, lots of time. And you should enjoy doing it, because cooking is so nice. I love doing it. I'm sure you do too, guys. My favorite people. I know you do. So there we go. Nice one. So guys, our peanut butter has been cooking for a little while now, and it's looking all nice. Our Durango. And in between, we were giving it a stir because we don't want it to stick at the bottom. And also, guys, when you're making peanut butter stew, you need to be very careful, because at this point it will be splashing, and it splashes everywhere. So you just be careful and put your gas down if it gets to this point, which we're going to do now. So we're going to put it on medium heat, and we're going to add our vegetables in. We add the vegetables at this point because we don't want them to overcook, so it's easier to put them at the near end of the cooking. Also, I'm going to be adding the onga now. To stir all of these together. Okay, I'm going to be leaving it to cook on that medium heat a little bit until everything is nice and ready. guys, look at that. Our Durango is nicely cooked. Our peanut butter stew, look at that. Alright, so guys, we're going to turn the gas absolutely off now, and then we're going to eat this peanut butter stew with couscous today. You can have this peanut butter stew with rice. I have even give this peanut butter stew to my friends and they had it with mashed potato. It's that good. Okay, I'm going to show you how I make my couscous, so see you in a bit. Okay guys, so now we're going to make our couscous in here. So this is about 3 cups guys. So I'm going to add some salt, half a teaspoon of salt to season it. I'm going to add some cinnamon to it. Just a little pinch guys. It's very nice and tasteful with your couscous. And this is lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of it. And I'm going to add some oil to it as well. About a tablespoon of oil, and then mix all of these together. Then add your boiling water over it until it is all covered. And make sure everything's gone down. Then you cover it with a cling film. So guys, that's about 2 cups of water that I add in. But if you cannot measure, just add until it is all covered with the boiling water. That's all you need to do. And then we're going to leave this to soak in for about 5 minutes. I will show you. Okay guys, let's see our couscous. And just guys, be careful when you take cling film off the hot steaming anything. Just make sure the steam is going on the opposite direction of you. So just like this, rip it out like this. And can you see how the couscous looks like guys? That's all that you need to do. Just hot water and your seasonings, and just cover it with a cling film. Okay guys, so that's our couscous all nice and ready and all mixed well. So now we're going to dish out and then ready to eat. Guys, that's our couscous on the plate here. So I'm going to put some sauce on it and we're going to be ready to have it. And like I always say, if you like watching this peanut butter video with us, the Durango as we call it in Mandinka, please put your thumbs up to like. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And in the meantime, you're all invited to this lovely, fantastic Durango. Come and enjoy it with us. So we're gonna love you and leave you until we come on your way again soon. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.